So you know my language learning goal for this year is to actually speak French fluently by the end of 2024. And if you didn't know before, well, now you do. So this is my month one check-in to my journey to fluency. Hi, I'm Trisha, your favorite language learning partner. I share my language learning journey and also tips to help you learn languages. So back in December of 2023, I set this goal for myself to actually learn how to speak French fluently by the end of 2024. No ifs, no buts, no maybes, a solid goal. I also created some actionable steps that I need to do in order to achieve this goal. The most important part of this journey is going to be consistency. Can I maintain this for the rest of the year? That's not a question. I'm doing this language check-in every month for the rest of this year, not only to hold myself accountable, but also to provide inspiration for those persons who may have the same goal as me, or maybe you can take some of what I'm doing and apply it to your language learning journey and to your language learning goals. Thank you for being my accountability partner. I'm so excited. Now, onto the things that I actually did this month. So the first thing is I filmed myself every weekend just speaking French for at least 10 minutes. The purpose of filming the video is so that I can watch myself and I can see the mistakes I'm making, but also to practice just thinking spontaneously, which is something I believe that it's necessary for fluency. I upload these videos to YouTube so it's easier for me to find them, and I title them based on the date that I did the video. Also, they can be downloaded at a later date, which is so convenient. I set a goal of having 2 language exchanges per month. So I did one with my language learning partner who lives in Paris. I did another one this morning with my friend who's also learning French in Jamaica. These language exchanges usually last around like 30 minutes, 45 minutes. The whole point is that you get to speak French for an extended period of time, so you have to consistently think in French, which is also very important for fluency. I also send my language learning partner messages in French, so I'll just give her some updates or ask how she's doing, or we have some conversations through text messages. It helps so much to just immerse me a little bit more in the French language. I make vlogs in French of little things that I do in my life. So you may notice I post some videos of me going to yoga and doing some other things, and I do this in French. It's just to help me to practice actually talking about my daily life, but in French. And on that point, I also talk to myself a lot in French.
Ce serait très intéressant et je crois que ça marche.
So when I'm at home and I'm doing certain things, I would say things out loud, say different steps out loud, or things that I would usually say in English, I just say them in French instead. I immerse myself in French. I listen to music, I listen to podcasts. I also have this book that I'm currently reading. I also record a lot. I get emails quite a few times in French, so I would just read one of those emails. Stories are pretty interesting too, so it's a win-win. I watched a K-drama, but I put the subtitles in French. Even though I was learning French, I started learning a few Korean words as well. That was just really cool. And the biggest one, because this has been a goal on my list for like a year, I literally did it this year, so that's amazing. I went to French Talk Wednesdays with l'Alliance Française de la Jamaïque. I had discussions in French with native French speakers and also French learners, which is a very big deal for me because I have been scared to go for over a year, and I'm not exaggerating. So it was a good month. Oh my god, I can't wait to do this next month. And if you don't want to miss these updates, or you want to follow me on this journey, or you want to be a part of this journey with your own language learning goals, you know what to do. See you in the next one.